Hi guys, hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Benjamin Kojo Itoka Jr. Well, today I'm going to be teaching you how you can use the background features within Postama Wall. So previously we have dealt with photos, feature elements, text, media, and layout. But like I did the layout feature yesterday, there's something I didn't really go through properly, which one of my viewers requested that I go through it. So the first thing I'm going to start doing before I get to this background feature is the layer features, which is the add tiers of tabs. Now he said he didn't really grasp the concept of how to use the add tiers of tabs. So the add tiers of tabs is basically when you just want to just tear out a portion of your work that you have done, and I mean probably it's not interesting and you don't need it there. So this is it guys, and let's get started. Now you click on it, this is why pop-ups. Now you can change it, you can rotate it. So I'm just going to make a adjustment on it. Okay, now with this one, how you can use this one, how you use it. Now let's say we want to use it with a ships, and certain portion of the ships we want it to be tiered off. Now I'm going to use a pictures here. Okay, I'm going to use a picture and just to illustrate that. Okay, for example, this is what I'm going to use. Sorry, it'll take a time because it's loading. Okay, let's wait a second. Okay, now we have it. Now imagine I want to just like tear off this place. Okay, I want to tear off this place. Let me make it straight, and I'll take this one backward. You can see here, you can come to the properties and you can go to edit, property position and edit, and you can click backward, go backward. Now here is it. Now, and I want to just this whole thing, you see, I don't want it there. Now I have tiers of that entire place, but there's more you can do with that. Now you, after highlighting it, you come there, you see the edit features of it. You see edit, you can put it backward, forward, you can duplicate, you can delete, the opacity of it, you see it, you can, that's it, you can increase and decrease the opacity. Now the number of tabs also, you see, you can increase it and you can also decrease it. So you can change the name right there. You change this name, and what you can also do is, you see, yeah, for example, we have the background color of it. Okay, we have the opacity. The opacity, you see, is almost like it's 100%. Now the space, letter spacing, you can, is if you follow a letter there, for example, if I put a letter here, or no trespassing, TRA, no trespassing. Okay, no trespassing, no trespassing. Okay, now you see no trespassing. Now you, what you can do to that, spacing of it, letter spacing with no trespassing. This is what you can do with it. You see, and there we go. Now the length of the height, we can increase the height also of the letter. Remember, it's the text. Yeah, is, but if you pay close attention, now let me maximize it so you can understand to see what I'm doing. Now look at the height of the letter. It is definitely going to change. It is changing, and yes, there you go. And the spacing, you see the spacing, we can make it that way. So I'm going to readjust it, and I'm going to increase the spacing again. Okay, this size is okay for me. What I'm going to tear off that entire part because I don't need it. I only need the blue and the black. So what I'm going to do is I'll remove the text. Okay, I'll remove the text. When I remove the text, you see there we have number of tabs and we have the opacity. Now you can change the font, but you must have the text there. You can change the font, the background color. You can change the background color to transparent, or we can change the background color to a solid color, which you can choose from here. And as you can see, but if you really want to make this effective, you must have a text. No trespassing. No trespassing. Now you see no trespassing, and you can make it more and more and more, and this is how you can use it. You're not saying the text is there, but you won't see it. No trespassing again. Okay. No trespassing. No trespassing. You see it's bigger, right? And I can also do the same thing for this one. And there you go. No trespassing. Now I can block out this whole thing. But this is taking too long, right? If I just want to block out this thing, and I can just use a shapes. I don't need to use this tiers of tabs. You can just use the complete shapes to just block out a portion of the work that you don't want in or be mentioned in your design. So this is how you can use it. Now we can also change the color, the fill color here. We can change the font size, but there isn't the text is there, so we're not going to see the text because the color is black. Now, if we choose white, then we will see the text. So what we can do, we can change the text, the font of the text. Okay, we can change the font of the text. Let's use, yeah, this one. JX Noil. JX Noil, great. Now let's see what we got. See, now we can change it, and then we can also change the color. We did it, and this is the style, the dash line. You can use a line there. See, there's a line in between it. There's a line in between it, or you can remove the line. You can put a dash line, and you see the dash line, dash dash dash. The dash line is there. Okay, you see the dash line is there, and after that, well, if you choose, you can leave it, but I go none. And again, I go back to my background color. I take black because again, that's what we want. And after taking black, you the one thing you want to do again, you can also make it you can introduce something new to it. You can make an animation out of it. For example, if I want to make an animation out of it, I can make an animation. Let's say bouncing, bam bam. There you go. Can make an animation. You can slow the speed. Right? It's really great. Just practicing, guys. So you guess what you can do. You can also use your stock for this, but we don't go into that today. So yeah, we will learn about that when we go to the background for the which we're going to deal with very shortly. So guys, I hope that I've able to answer your questions, and this is how you can use it. If you want to block out something from your work and you don't want this portion, that's how you can do it. So that's it, guys. So now let's begin with our main features today for this video. Now you see in our background feature, we have solid color gradients, upload backgrounds, and stock photos. Now these are, for example, learning about the background color. For example, this this is the workspace right now. We can change the workspace to any of these list here, any of the items on the list: solid color, gradient color, upload background, and stock photo. So the first thing we're going to learn today is how we can upload our solid color. We can use solid color. So we click on solid color, and once we click on solid color, we have a list of solid colors with us. Okay, it will take seconds, so just have to be patient. Now we have solid color, right? Now we can choose from any of these solid color. Pick from the pathlets, okay? custom background color, solid color background preview. Now, if preview is when the color you choose, you can do preview here. You see the preview of the color you choose. Now you can choose any color of your choice. This is how you can do it. Now it's going to affect. This is how our workspace is going to be. Okay, so we choose this one or this one, and our workspace is going to be this way. So if you choose this color, our workspace is going to be this way. Now let's click on apply. See, this is our workspace. Now this is how our workspace looks. So our workspace is like this, and we imagine if we are doing a work and we want to use this color, we can change it. If this is where we can also change our background color, as you can see right here, background color, you can also change it from here, and you can change this color from here also. All right. And one more thing, again, we come back to these features, we see gradient. Now we will learn about the gradient color. Now we click on gradient. Now this is the gradient color. Okay, we have one side of it is lightening and the other side is thicker. So the one side is lighter and the other side is thicker. There's gradient color. Now gradient come in shading colors. Okay, it comes in two colors. We have one, two. So you can change both of these colors. Now this is how you can do it. You can change it any color of your choice, and there you go. You can change it from here any color of your choice. And this is how our workspace is going to be. Let's click apply. Now you see our workspace has been transformed from solid color to gradient color. Now let's go to our next one. Is the next one is the upload background color. Now imagine if I want to upload a background color. For example, if I want to use my pictures, okay, as a background color or as a background, and I also maybe I can go on the internet and download background colors, for example. Then that way you can also change the color. So let's see how about that. Now we'll click on upload background color. Now if I have a lot of them, like for example, which I do, I go to my pictures right now, and I can use any of these as my background color, any of these. Okay, so I want to look for something that is more suitable for our practice. Okay, I want to look for something that's more suitable for our practice. Now let me go into a file like this. Maybe I'll find something suitable for our practice. Okay, let me use this one, this currency, and I click OK. Now it is loading. Yeah, take a look. Our entire workspace is going to change to that. It takes some time. Uploading. Okay, uploading image. Loading image now. The image has been uploaded. Now it's time to we want something really. Okay, let's choose this path. Now that is where you can do the cropping. Okay, that's just the cropping of it. You can crop the portion you want to be the background pictures, which you just saw me doing. Now this is it. This is our background. Isn't that amazing? We have this. This is the currencies of my country, Republic of Liberia. This is our $10 a note. Okay. Yes, so if I choose to use this as a background, I can use this as a background. So that's how you can change it, guys. There's also something more you can do with this, but because we are not going into that to customize the pictures. But if you look right there on my right hand side, okay, you see crop and you see replace filters, tint, multiple brightness, contrast, saturations. Okay, so what do you want to do? If you change the filter right now, look, see what's going to happen. That's exactly what is going to happen if you change the filter of the color. If you go back again and change it from the filter from sapphire to, let's say, black and white, and it goes back to black and white, no color. Now we go back to none, and then the color appeared. Okay, we can also increase the brightness of it. Okay, we increase the brightness of it, with the saturations of it. You see, that's it, and the contrast. And yes, you can also do that, but let's take to 50%, and this one 50%. Okay, we can use this one also. Drop it to 50%, 41, 49, 50%. Now that's it. And another thing again you can use is the crop tools. Okay, the crop tools here, you can use it. Now you can just click on the crop tools and they're saying something wrong. Okay, you can just click on the crop tools, they're saying something wrong. Sorry. Okay, because of my internet problems, I have internet connection problems. That is why it is not allowing us. So very shortly I'm going to connect to my hotspot, and then I'll continue with this video, because my Wi-Fi right now is actually down because of the weather. Because of the weather, is actually disturbing our frequency. So now we have to switch to commercial. We don't have higher equipments to the defense that huge or that those disturbance, but these commercial company have the equipments that allow them to withstand these natural disasters that we coming against that equipments. Now let's see what it can do when we click on the crop tools. Okay, I'm still getting connection problems. I'm still getting connection problems. I really want you to understand this. I'm still getting connection problems. Okay, so okay, let's remove the animation to none, and let's see. We're still getting connection problems. I don't know why I'm still getting connection problem, because I'm connected. And yes, just give me a second, guys, and I will. Okay, now it says connected. So let's see if it's going to give us this thing. Okay, let's try to refresh this page. Try to reload this page. I'm not going to save anything. Oh, we come back to square zero. Okay, so let's go back to, we have already learned our static cutout, gradient cutout, transparent. No, we haven't done transparent. Upload background color. I think we did. Let's do the transparent color. Now transparent, this is the transparent color. Now this is all you can do. Now the color and transparent, imagine if you add a picture to this, and you're going to see the difference of the transparent from the solid color. Or in fact, let us use a text. Let us use a text, and then we'll see what this actually means. So we can say, oh, good morning. Good morning, brothers and sisters. How are you all doing this morning? I'm very grateful to God for this opportunity to share with you my little pieces of knowledge on foster my world. Thank you for your time and patience. God bless you. I'm sorry, I cannot tap. Okay, so please, just practicing something so you can see what that means. God bless you. And now let's see. You see, now let's see what we have done here. Yeah, I did it. Come on, man. You can adjust this guy in the center right now. And the two ways you can center this guy, you either highlight it from this way and use the shortcut key Control E. Sorry, use the shortcut key, or you just use the alignment right here to center them. Okay, left, or you can split them both left and right by using this one. Okay, so I want to do it almost like a letters things like, okay, then this one for backwards, so we highlight this one on it and then we send it there. It's supposed to go there. Okay, so we're gonna send it there ourselves. Okay, you use the backspace key, put the cursor behind the letter that you want, and use the backspace key. Now there you go. Then you can enter one steps. And how are you all doing this morning? Okay, I'm very grateful to God for this opportunity to share with you my little pieces of knowledge on customer war. Thank you for your time and patience. God bless you. Okay. Thank you for your time and patience. God bless you. Regards. Regards. So that's it, guys. This is how it looks when it's transparent. Okay. Now you can do another things with the text. We learned about the text before, so we can actually change the color of the text to the color of our choice. Okay, and we can also change increase the size of the text. Okay, and we can change the font of it. Fetching font. Unable internet. So sorry again. Oh, connection problems. So sorry. Okay, that's why you need to have a stable internet connections before you can use this platform. It's very, very important that you have a stable internet connections. So now we see that we have, let's see if we can go back to our internet connections, and yes, we are back. Now we can change the font now. Okay, see, we have changed the font, and we can also change the color maybe to something that's like pink, be more visible for you to see. Okay, great. Maybe you can use something like this, but it's not. Okay, this one is great. All right, and so that's it, guys. This is the background. Now, what we want to do again, if we can change this background color, for example, we use gradient color. Now this gradient color, we can change it. Maybe we want to use this one, and we click OK. You see, we have changed our workspace to gradient color, and maybe we can change our text to white text or brown text, blue text, whatever text or color of our choice, and it will be great. And we can also do something else with this. We can also use our, like, they upload a background color, and we use this currency, and we're gonna crop it. Okay, now it's loading. You can crop it at this level that you want. Okay, now this is the level that I want it to be. Great. And then I apply it. Upload background color or image. Now this is it. I'm using this so I can change my text color to black, and then you see it. And then what I can do is to change the contrast of this one so that my text can be more, clear to you. Or I leave it as 50 and just change and I just filter it. Okay, and I can leave it to 50 and I just go and filter it. I filter it and come to filter, and I just use Seafire, and there you go. And then I can change my text color back to the way it was, and there I have it. I have it, and yes, you can do that. You can change it, or you can go back to black and white, and still you can have it. And from black and white, you can also go back to making it original or normal. This is it now. So now the next thing you want to do is you upload stock photos. Now photos is from the stocks within Postamowatt in Asina's. You can use it. Now we have storage blocks. We have Getty Image and Pixiebabe, and we have Postamowatt free. So which one do you want to choose? Pixiebabe is free. Postamowatt is free. So go Pixiebabe is free. What do we want to choose? Low gold fashion wooden. Now we can choose this one. Okay, wood. And when we search for it, it's going to give us. Yeah, there is it, guys. We can use any of this. Okay, we're gonna do any of this for our background. So we're gonna choose one of these pictures, and let's say we will choose this one. This look really nice. Okay, guys, just for practice. Okay, practice. And we have already selected one, and we applied, and we click OK. Now it's gonna change. Woo, say. Then we can use something great. You can go and use our elements. And when we use our element, we can pull something like a death throat sound, make it more scary. I mean, if you don't know how to use if you don't know how to use this element features, I suggest you please go back and watch my previous video. There you will learn, you understand. Okay, amazing, right? So we can remove this color also. Okay, we can remove this color. We scroll down here, and then you see remove color right here at the, now for example, edit, you come to effect, you see all of them, you can remove the color. You see remove color, and you remove the color, so that's why you see like that, you see. But we don't want to remove the color. We can add border to it, we can filter it, or we can make it black and white. Okay, and we can add border to it. We learn about that in yeah, we also learn about that in the element features, in the text features, in the element feature, not in the picture features, in the text features. So we can add a border to it, and we can change our border color to white. And there you go, guys. This is it. You know how to use our stock upload image transparent. and gradient and solid color. So I hope that you guys have a great understanding of how to use the background image, and there's one more features coming up very soon. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to receive my upcoming videos. And please comment below at the comment sections and tell me what you think about my video and my contents. And if you have any suggestions, you can recommend that to me, and I will be very grateful for that. And one more thing, don't forget to share my video also. And if you're a new viewer or return viewer, I say thank you for your continuous support, and please continue to support my channel as I bring to you more tutorials on Postomat World and advanced one. So we have one more features, and then we'll be going into our real work and how to learn to use these features to make our complete work. So please, click the notification bell to receive all of my upcoming videos. Okay, so before I come to a conclusion of this, I just want to review one more thing again. That is the tail of tabs. Okay, I just want to review that again, the tail of tabs. So I'm going to do that. I'll show you how to do it. And this is the tail of tab, and I just don't want this to be right here. So what I'm going to do is Control C, Control V, and I make it more bigger. And maybe I can do another one and make it more bigger again. Oh, that doesn't work. Maybe if I put it in front of it, it just get bigger, and I put it in front of it, it get bigger. Now I don't want this to be my work, right? I just don't want it to be my work. So we learned that already. Now, since I don't want it to be my work, what am I going to do now? Okay, now I got to change my color to black. Okay, I changed this color to black, and now this is black, and you can see no longer there. So, and another thing I can do with it, I can, for example, I can reduce it, make it transparent or pixelate it, so it's there, but you cannot see the color, and I increase the color, and then that can change the background color, transparent, or, but I don't want transparent, I want the solid color, so I use the solid color black. I can even change the color to blue, and but you can still see the text, which we don't want to see the text, so we switch back to a black color. Okay, and again, we were trying to do the cropping things, but the internet was the problem, and now we're going to use the cropping tools right now to do this one. Now you see the cropping tools right now, you come to the edit and the position. This is position and edit, and we will go into that deep when we're going back on the photo features here, where we'll be learning how to do customize our photos, and then we will learn all of these things. Now the next one we want to do is to understand the cropping tools. Right now you see the cropping tools. Now the cropping tool is in this form. Okay, if you want to crop, now you see square or 4:3 original free. Now most of the time you want to use free so that you can be able to use it at your own flexibility. Now you just click on free. Now you can do it any way you want to do it, and it still work for you. Okay, so this is how the cropping tools work. And yes, now we have cropped it, and let's see the result of our crop. Now you see this is the result. We can also adjust it this way. Okay, and this way. Now something great we can do. Okay, we can add text here right now. It's so amazing. And you remember we talked about the text. You can go to fancy text, and when you go to fancy text, you can choose any text of your choice. So now we're going to choose candy, and we're going to choose this one, or Bob, like, how do you call it, ball blade one, and then we click on add text, and our text come here, and we can change our text to say welcome to the new world of Postomat World. Okay, welcome to the new world of new world. Welcome to the new world of Postomat World. Welcome to the new world of Postomat World. You can increase this one and increase this one. Okay. Welcome to the New World of Customer World. We can duplicate this text. Just right click on the text and click on duplicate. Okay, and you have it will be double, or you can just use the control and the D key on the keyboard and you have it also double. So welcome to Customer World. Welcome to the New World Customer World. This is the easiest platform to become a designer. Become a designer. Okay. Each one should teach one. Each one should teach one. Whatever you are going to learn here, whatever you have learned, please okay, each one teach one. Can stop that because the length of the text is too short, so I can duplicate it and I'll have free space to work. Whatever, I'm sorry, I cannot tap. Whatever you have learned here, please teach them to others in practical. Teach them to others, yeah. Now we can do something else. We can change the color of this text and it's going to be great. Oh, okay, whatever you have whatever you have learned, whatever you have um it's okay. Whatever you learn, please teach them. Let's see why it's not coming. Please, whatever you have learned, please teach them to others. Now we see we have punctuations that is not in place. Okay. Okay, great. Now everything is set and done. So we can change the color to something like white. Okay, you can also change this one to blue. Change this one to red. And we can change this one to green. That's it, guys. So I hope that this was really helpful to you. And I hope to see you within the next video. Once again, thank you for your support, and please don't forget to subscribe to like my channel. We're gonna be doing more intermediate work. I mean, you just see this is basic, but don't worry, we have a whole lot of stuff to learn. But please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell, okay, and share my video. Also, comment video at the comment section and suggest something to me, whatever you want me to do, whatever you don't understand from the previous video, please comment below at the comment sections and I will make sure to reply to your comments and I will solve your problems. Okay, I will try to solve your problems. So thank you guys, and I hope that you have a great day, and I will see you within the next video. Thank you and bye.